This tutorial is how to create your own classroom in BrainPOP. So when I get here, I'm going to begin by logging in. Once I'm logged in, I'm going to go to Dashboard, Teacher Dashboard, and I'm going to hit Create New Class. I'm going to name this Remote Learning. This is just kind of my test class, and I'm going to hit Create. Now it's going to pop up, and this will be the code for my students to use. So what I would do is I would hit download this handy PDF, and I would take a screen snip of this, just one of them, and I would copy and paste this image into my classroom platform, because this explains how students can log in. Especially if you're with kindergarten or first, second grade, some of the younger classes, parents could help students the first time log in. So once you have this done, you will have a class set up. So here's my remote learning class. I don't have any students in here yet to do anything, but I can edit my class settings on the side, or if I need the code again, I can share the code. So I'm going to try logging in now as a student so I can show you what they will do. When a student gets here, they will hit enter code, and they're going to insert the class code, which mine was middle 5328, and submit. So students would have to sign up now. I'm already logged in. Oh, it's not going to let me do it. Because I'm a teacher account, I can't actually log in, I guess, but that's how students would log in, and then they would go through and create their own accounts. Now I'm going to show you what it looks like when you have a class established. So once I click on here, you can view your students. So here's the usernames my students came up with. You can view each student's account. I can see what they've watched. I can see the quizzes I've assigned. I can actually go through and assign quizzes for students. I can assign projects, which I have not done, as you can see. And I can also create an assignment. So if I want students to actually watch a certain video for adding and subtracting fractions, or subtracting tens, I'm sorry. Adding and subtracting. It's just... Now I can select that, I added it. I can decide what I want students to do. So maybe I want them to do the movie quiz, and I have the option to do review or graded. I can do a mixed quiz. I can have students do the movie as well. And maybe I want them to do the worksheet when that's finished. I'm going to hit next, title it. Now here it'll show what students' assignments are. I can add instructions if I want. I can assign the day. I can select my class. And then hit assign. Now, when I view students, I can see the students will be able to see what their assignments are.